Hello, in this video we are going to talk about tax code 1257L. Normally the tax code starts with a number and ends with a letter. HMRC will tell your employer which code to use so that they know how much tax to take from your pay or pension. The most common tax code for the tax year 21-22 is tax code 1257L. It is expected to be unchanged until 2026. Okay. You can find your tax code displayed on your payslip, normally listed near your national insurance number. Your employer has to provide you with a payslip. Practically, you and me, everybody in UK is entitled to a tax-free personal allowance, which means that a certain amount of your income each year are paid to you without being taxed. If your tax code is 1257L, it means you are entitled to the standard personal allowance of £12,570. The letter L included in your tax code means the standard tax-free personal allowance has been allocated to the income. It means that you can earn £12,570 before you pay tax, so the tax code is 1257L. The table indicates the tax rates you pay in each band. If you have a standard personal allowance of £12,570, personal allowance nothing on the first £12,570, basic rate 20% on your earning between £12,571 to £50,270. I rate 40% on your earning between £50,271 to £150,000. Additional rate 45% on your earning over £150,000. Now let's see an example. Okay. How to calculate your tax with tax code 1257L. We have here Scott Miller, who has gross pay to date £15,500 16 pence. Total gross pay this period is £1,291 68 pence. Additional hours is 144. Rate is £8.97. Now you want to know how much tax does he pay. Well, the 1257L tax code is cumulative code. That means Scott Miller will receive part of his personal allowance every time he gets paid. If he is paid monthly, he will receive £1,047 50 tax-free each month he gets paid. That way, by the end of the tax year, he will have received his personal allowance in full. Earnings above this are taxed at 20%. This is for earning between £12,571 and £50,270. Okay. Now we can see Scott's payslip simulator. We have two tables here, year to date and this period. And we can find this period table. Total gross pay comes from total gross pay to date divided by 12. Gross for tax come from gross for tax to date divided by 12. And earning for national insurance come from earning for national insurance to date divided by 12. Okay. Now let's see Scott tax calculation in more detail. Okay. As you can see here, the number one is let me see, the number one is yearly income, and the number two is yearly personal allowance, no tax on the first £12,570, tax-free each month is 1,047 pounds 50 pence. The number 3 is the difference between yearly income and yearly personal allowance. The number 4 is tax paid to date. It's the difference between yearly income and yearly personal allowance, and then time by 20%. The number 5 is the difference between yearly income and then the class 1 national insurance primary threshold per year, which is 9,564 pounds. And the number 6 is the difference between year income and the class 1 national insurance primary threshold and time by 12%. Or if you want, is earning for national insurance to date, time by 12%. Okay. The number 7 is gross for tax to date divided by 12. Number 8 is earning for national insurance to date divided by 12. The number 9 is the difference between total gross pay and the class 1 national insurance primary threshold per month, which is 797 pounds, and then time by 12%. Okay. And the number 10 is the difference between the total gross pay and the tax-free each month, which is 1,047 pound 50 pence, time by 20%. Okay, if you want to know more about tax rates, I will leave the link in the description. Don't forget to smash the like button, and if you are new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you.